there are a huge number of reports itself, reports, analytical reports, dashboards and all that. But what we realize, these reports that are inbuilt into ERP Next, they are very good for information purposes, but for your day-to-day operations, statutory reports, all those things are sadly missing. So as a result, what happens is that, no doubt, maybe as a management, maybe your dashboard, fantastic. In fact, they have a complete BI tool also inbuilt into that. But the day-to-day reports, operational reports, and the reports required for your teams and all that are not as powerful as in the formats that they require, right? Therefore, we have created actually 3 different series of reports. You must have seen that first series is the iDashboard series, right? These are, we call them interactive dashboards. Now, what these dashboards do is that these interactive dashboards for all the different doc types, as they call, or the processes, let's say the sales invoice, right? So the sales invoice related reports would require, let's say in the different orders, let's say you would want, let's say party-wise sales report, you want city-wise, party-wise sales reports, all those kinds of combinations and orders, and maybe, with the certain number of columns and all that. So all that are not there in ERP Next. Most of the users, export the report into Excel, and then they format the report as per the Excel, and then they consume it as, or they maybe use it for their own based on that, and the printout and all that. But we feel that any data, if it is exported to Excel and then you manage it, manipulate it, your people manage it, and then they present it to you, there is a huge chance of getting maybe some kind of manipulation being done, right? So that is why we wanted, from within the package itself, we have created multiple iDashboards for each process, right? Let's say, for example, sales invoice. So we have created one series of report for sales invoice header. So header based reports will be one iDashboard. So sales invoice iDashboard for headers. Now each of these iDashboard, so sales invoice iDashboard, there will be multiple options. That is, you will be having, let's say, iDashboard for sales invoice for party wise, city wise, broker wise, etc., right? And then there would be another one which is with the sales iDashboard for your item wise details, right? So that way there are a huge number of reports which are required on a day-to-day basis, and that is where we have created these reports.